Welcome back, and I have spotted the egret. You can see the egret in the background searching for fish, hunting for fish, and this is a nice little egret. Oh, you can see the egret. Oh, searching for fish. Very nice one. So during the monsoon season, the egrets come out. See, he has caught some fish, and they hunt for fish during this time. Oh, you can see this bird also flying here in background. So nice little egret is spotted in the monsoon season, and you can see in the background other egrets. Lot of other egrets are also in the background. This is the sound of the myna bird, and a lot of other egrets in the background, but this is the closest one which is near spotted here. There you can see. Oh, this one is flying here. And this is very close to me. Nice little egret searching for food, and you can spot him in the rainy season. Very nice. See, these egrets are flying in the background. And you can see these birds also. Wow, these are the Bharadwaj birds. 3 Bharadwaj birds have just flown near me. And you can still spot the egret. Oh, see this, he is also flying. All other egrets are in the background. Oh, here you can see this Bharadwaj bird which is going down. Very nice sight in the monsoon. Nice little sight in the monsoon season. Lot of rain. Yeah. You can see the other egrets also in the background. You see, searching for food. This is the very closest one. Very nice. So do like, share your comments, and do share the videos on Travel Upadesh. Keep watching and do give your comments and likes. So thanks for watching, and see you with more videos.